Bacon, chili and chocolate are all excellent, and surprisingly, they all combined well with one of the others as an outstanding duo. But what about a trio? Could this be a case of too much of a good thing, or is it a perfect combination? This is OutlanDishes, and let's make some chili chocolate bacon. We'll start by making some candied bacon, which will require coating our pig strips in some brown sugar and baking them on a raised rack for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or until they've gained some nice colour but before they've gotten overly crispy, because there's nothing worse than overly crispy bacon. Now we'll chop some of that dark chocolate into nice small pieces. I used about 3/4 of the bits to melt in the microwave on 50% power in 30-second bursts, doing this until it was almost completely melted, but there were still some lumpy bits left behind. Now add back in the remaining bits and stir until the residual heat has melted everything together. Once smoothed, I've added in some bacon salt for taste and chili powder for the heat. On a silicone baking mat, I'm coating the bacon in our hot chocolate sauce. Because of the non-stick and flexible nature of silicone, our choc pig strips will pop right off once they've hardened. Once coated on both sides of each strip, move them over to the fridge for at least an hour to set. For texture, this is a winner. The outer dark chocolate shell has a nice crisp snap to it, which is contrasted by the chewy bacon on the inside. On taste, this hits the mark as well. You have the bitterness of the dark chocolate, which is assisted by the heat from the chili and deepened by the salt we included. All this leads through to a nice sweet and savoury centre from the bacon. I would definitely classify this as a must-try recipe.